So I am going to be testing today I'm going to be testing if a dog leash can pull a water bottle from one of these holders. I already have it in place. I have the whole cord. Not gonna lie, I tested this out earlier. It failed completely. So hit that like button and we'll see if we can do it really right now. Okay, I'm gonna turn. You guys see it? 3, I'm gonna retract it. 3, 2, 1. All right, now I'm just gonna push this button, yank it. And here we have it. The water bottle retractor. Let's just put it back on this one. And then let's do it. Do it again. No. Hold on. So make sure you guys hit that like button if you want to see some more videos. There's my dog, my casual dog. Her name's Chica. Leave a comment down below if you guys want me to give her a new name. And attempt 2. 3. I'm just gonna try it for only this button to like retract it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that didn't work. So, yay! And there you have it. Attempt 2 failed. Let's hope for an attempt 3 to work. And make sure y'all subscribe so you don't miss any of my new videos. Next video is gonna be a banger. Gonna do some dares in Walmart, maybe get kicked out. Okay, so attempt 3. Wait, hold on. I just gotta do one more thing. So, how's y'all day doing? Make sure you hit that like button for so I could do them dares. 20 likes and we'll do the dares in Walmart. Maybe get kicked out. Alright, attempt number 3. So, Yaterson. And there we go. And the way that I used it is I had like a, hold on, let me send it light so y'all can see better. Leashes nowadays. Okay, so what I did is I like hooked it, and there's, hold on, and there's like this giant knot. So I put it between this little knot and this giant knot, and like every time it goes back, like it retracts, it goes back into the big knot instead of the small knot. And make sure you guys hit that like button. 20 likes, and we're going to Walmart and doing the dares. Make sure to leave your dares down below, boys. And also, if you want a notification shout out, be the first one to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. See you tomorrow. Sayonara.